I'm coming to you live from the northern Afghanistan city called Mazar-I-Sharif, and I'm really enjoying this culture. Humble people, stunning architecture, unbelievable flavors, and a simple life. Never have I been to a place this authentic, this convincing, and this cheap. Much like Pakistan, daily life expenses in Afghanistan are extremely affordable compared to the Western world. And one thing I've noticed is that it's a 100% cash-driven society. Credit card is not accepted anywhere, nor are services like Airbnb or Uber. So basically I had to exchange my US dollars on the street. Got it? Okay. Thanks, man. And I discovered that $10 is about 763 Afghanis. It's time to see how much we can buy. Firstly, I need to look nice, and by that, I mean to blend in. Part of traveling in Afghanistan is keeping a small footprint, and it starts with clothing. I'm here getting a shalwar kameez, which is a traditional dress. The white one or the blue one? I kind of like the blue one. You like? Yeah, nice? I think it works.
He was asking for 300, so after like a few words, I made him to give us for 200.
200.
You need to bargain in Afghanistan, you know.
Tashakur. Alright, next I gotta cover up my red hair because it does stand out a lot in Afghanistan. So I'm gonna get a turban, which is what everybody wears here, to cover it up. That's a lot of turbans. I want the one that will blend in the most. It feels really nice, like soft. Can you ask him the price of this one?
The price was 120, and I asked him if he can give it up for 100.
Okay, so I'm getting him to tie the turban on my head right now. Tashakur. Awesome. Now I'm a local. Super hot outside right now, middle of the day, so we're gonna head back to the hotel, get a quick rest before coming out again at golden hour to finish this $10 video. Oh yeah. I am ready to hit the streets. I've never felt more local anywhere in the world than I do right now in Mazar-I-Sharif, Afghanistan. So right now we are riding in the back of a rickshaw. All right. These are the common way to get around the city, right?
Yeah.
And it's really fun. You can see the decorations in here are amazing. You got all these different colors, designs. All right, it's time to pick up a flag for my collection. We headed into a local handicraft shop, and this man came to help add to my 160 plus flags at home. Just this, I only want this one.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Afghanistan is a country that's blessed with amazing fruit given its diverse climate. So it's time to give it a try. Let's get some fresh orange juice. Oh man, that is so good. So Noor, what are some other good drinks we can try here?
Many other things, but let's try the sugarcane.
Fresh sugarcane juice?
Yeah.
Just over here?
Yeah.
You can actually see there's a lot of these sugarcane vendors just lined up on the streets here. And it's pretty simple. He puts it in the machine, it comes out slowly, it drips out slowly into the cup. So refreshing. How's it?
It's nice.
Okay, so the way they do ice cream in Afghanistan is different than anywhere else I've seen in the world. They make it by hand. It's amazing. There's a guy making it right there behind me. We're gonna go get some and see how delicious it is. English? Yeah. US? America, yeah. Nice to meet you. How many years are you selling ice cream?
25 years.
25 years. Thank you very much. It's the same one they have in Pakistan. It's a very unique flavor. What's it made from? Like,
It's cardamom, milk.
yeah. So the final two stops of the day are going to be shisha, some local shisha that we're going to try, and then we're going to get some Afghani food for dinner. Assalamu alaikum. Wow, it's a cloud of smoke in here. Wow, you're a pro, man. To wrap up a day that I'll never forget, we headed into a local restaurant. It was packed with hungry men, all eating my favorite Afghan dish, kebabs.
This is bura.
Khora.
Bura is made out of raw grapes.
Okay, so we just got these kebabs. Can you eat it directly off the stick with your mouth? Oh my god. It's so soft, it just like melts in your mouth. Oh my god. In total, I got a shalwar kameez, a turban, a rickshaw ride, a flag, orange juice, sugarcane juice, handmade ice cream, shisha, and a delicious kebab dinner for $9.84. And that, my friends, is what 10 bucks can get you in Afghanistan. I'm Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.